Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs and I'm back with another episode. Today I created in Revit 2019 brownstone homes. Now these homes are typically found in New York or on the East Coast. I've always been fascinated with these homes. So I created this in Revit 2019, exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. I have something pulled up here. Let's take a quick look at brownstone homes. Here we go. Okay, so here's a good image of a brownstone home. It has the bump outs here. Let's see if we can get a frontal view or just a better perspective. There's something here. Don't like this one as much. Um, but if you've ever seen like the Cosby Show, they lived in something like this in New York. I believe it was New York. Um, I've always been fascinated with these homes. If you watch any movie that's like based in New York, 9 times out of 10 you're going to see brownstone homes. They're very close together, but the insides of these usually go up 3 stories, and there's a basement below that some people actually rent out. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add some Thea Render materials, textures to this building. Try to get a good rendering going. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and add some brick. I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and do some brick on some parts of the building, and then the rest will be stucco. So let's go ahead and add that brick. All right, so we have the brick added. Let's go ahead and add stucco to these remaining parts. Okay, now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a sidewalk in here, some landscaping, maybe some trees, definitely some grass, and show the road here. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have most of our materials and our trees, let's see what's going on. Nice, I really like this. Go down here and I'll touch up this curb here. Um, my intentions here were to add some plants along the walkway. Um, I think I may still do that, or I just might make this all green. And I want to go in and doctor up these emitters. They're not showing, but in a previous video I showed you can do if that happens. So I'll go ahead and doctor that up and we'll go ahead and finish up. All right, so it looks like we got the light bulb. I'll go ahead and add those panels back on there, and I'll add the emitter also to this light bulb so we can get that to illuminate also. Um, Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.